Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I got a package. It's pretty big, it's pretty cool. So let's unbox it and see what it is. I'm excited. Hey! Look, there's another box. Ooh, what's this? A Magitarium. It's a bubble bar. That's cool. That's a big one too. So I use one of these in my community tank over there. It's not really quite big enough. So I think I'm going to do a bit of an upgrade. That's awesome. Ooh, that's a bit heavier, that one. Another box. What? Aqua, mate. I'll read this in a minute. Actually, no. You always open a card before you open gifts. I'm very curious though. Dear Josh, Happy New Year. I've enclosed some goodies. There's a fair bit to read there, so I will read that all soon. Peace. Wait. Monica. Thanks, Monica. Appreciate it. Let me have a look through here, and then we'll read that and we'll explain what it's all about. I've got a notebook here. Very handy. I've been trying to keep something that nice and handy to keep all the notes about the channel and ideas and all that sort of stuff. And that one is pretty nice. What is this? There's a breeding box. That is awesome. That's better than any of the one. I used to have one that you just sort of used to hang there, but this one seems to be safe and secure nursery, designed for breeding, isolating, and acclimatizing fish or shrimp. Hangs on aquarium exterior, makes viewing and maintenance easier. Oxygenated water from the main aquarium circulates continuously through the use of an air pump. That's cool. We'll have a look at that soon. We've got some plants. Very cool. I've got a really good idea on what to do with those. And more plants. That's awesome. Wow. I feel like I've won a prize here. What's going on? Ooh, there's another book. Guide to a happy, healthy pet. The goldfish. That's awesome. I will do some more reading. I think some of you might know I've done a video on the goldfish that I have, the two big guys, but that'd be really good to read up a bit more. Thank you. What's this one? Ooh. Very well packaged. Is it a cocktail stirrer? That's cool. Very fishy. I like it. I'll keep that out of the bar. Thank you. this? Ooh. Jed's maple syrup. That's cool. That's sort of, is that the payback for the Vegemite? You're going to make me try this? I'm happy to. That's very cool. Check that out. Awesome. And everything's wrapped so nicely. Well, that's all that. It smells nice too. I think I know what this is. Chesapeake soaps and aperies, is that how you say it? Glycerin base includes olive oil, coconut and soybeans. Sea foam. That's cool. That sounds like it could actually be good for my eczema, so I'd definitely try that out. And it smells good. Wow. Alright, check it out. So, we've got a cool Christmas card, and Monica has just basically said in that card that she's just enjoying the fish fam so much, and she's enjoying being inspired by everyone, and that she likes some of my tanks, and she's liking the fish fam. She loves Scungy's artwork and everything, and she wanted to do something nice for me, so she put together a little care package. Her thoughts were to put this in with the goldfish. That could definitely work. I'll be tossing up between that and dirty dishes. That. I think that you know about my skin, so that could be something that might be really beneficial for me. I like a drink every now and then. That will be very beneficial for stirring. Monica received some Vegemite from me, and she should be releasing a video on her channel doing the Vegemite challenge really shortly. Once you do that, I will try this, either on one of the live streams or however you suggest, Monica. The notebook's going to be really handy. Just a thoughtful present that I can keep a lot of notes. Having a YouTube channel and working on it all the time, something like this is really handy for when you have ideas. This will be some good bedtime reading. Learn more and more about goldfish, and hopefully I'll learn some fun, interesting facts in there that we can create some more videos on. These, certain Harry, we are going to be setting up a new tank for him very, very shortly. Just got to change a couple of things around. That'll be perfect for what we want to do with his tank. So that's awesome. Now we've got a bit of a variety. And an unboxing within an unboxing, the Marina breeding box. So I've got one hand here, so bear with me. Can't read that. It's all right, there will be an English section in there. There's a plastic lid over there. Come back to this. Alright, we're going to put that down for a second. Not fall over. Alright, so there's a lid too, and there's a pipe. So basically it's like an inlet, and then there is also a hose in there as well, so that you can keep the water freely flowing over into and through the breeder box, which that's a really, really cool idea, because you always worry about getting the right aeration and stuff for all the baby fish. It means that they're basically copying all the exact same water that they're used to, that they were born in, and the water's coming back out there in a nice, safe manner that it's not going to suck them up as well. So next time the Crebensis have some babies, I think I'll probably be utilising that a lot quicker than I have in the past. Thank you so much, Monica. I really appreciate it. Monica is starting up her YouTube channel any day now. I know you've already got some subscribers, and a lot of you will know her from a lot of the chats that we do at the Dr. Thirsty Mate and over at Blackie's channel as well. Please go show her some support. She's supporting a lot of you guys as well. And let's see if we can get her numbers up and see how she goes at the Veggie Mate Challenge. All right, guys. Just remember, if you're getting new fish, always acclimate them first. I'm Josh from Aqua Mate. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.